The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a motorcycle that evokes the spirit of classic motorcycling while incorporating modern engineering and performance. Introduced as part of Royal Enfield's new lineup of twin-cylinder motorcycles, the Interceptor 650 carries forward the legacy of the brand's original Interceptor from the 1960s. This contemporary model blends timeless design with contemporary performance, making it a favorite among riders who seek a combination of retro aesthetics and modern reliability. At the heart of the Interceptor 650 lies a 648cc parallel twin engine that delivers 47 horsepower at 7,150 revolutions per minute and 52 Nm of torque at 5,250 revolutions per minute. This engine has been carefully designed to offer a smooth and linear power delivery, providing ample grunt across the rev range. The result is a bike that is equally capable of handling urban commutes as it is carving through winding mountain roads. The air and oil-cooled unit features a 270-degree crankshaft, which imparts a distinctive exhaust note reminiscent of classic British twins. This engine configuration also helps in reducing vibrations and creating a more engaging riding experience. The 6-speed gearbox, paired with a slip-assist clutch, allows for effortless gear changes and smooth transitions between speeds. One of the defining characteristics of the Interceptor 650 is its versatility. The motorcycle's upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat provide a comfortable and relaxed posture, making long-distance touring a pleasant experience. The ergonomics are designed to cater to a wide range of riders, from beginners to experienced motorcyclists. This approachable nature has made the Interceptor a popular choice among those looking for an entry into the world of larger displacement motorcycles without the intimidation factor often associated with high-capacity bikes. The frame of the Interceptor 650 is a steel tubular double cradle chassis, developed in collaboration with Harris Performance, a renowned chassis expert. This chassis strikes a balance between rigidity and flexibility, contributing to the bike's stability and precise handling. Whether navigating through city traffic or leaning into corners on open roads, the Interceptor maintains composure and inspires confidence. The suspension setup consists of 41 mm front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, providing a plush ride while absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. Braking duties are handled by a 320 mm disc at the front and a 240 mm disc at the rear, both equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard. This braking system offers strong and predictable stopping power, enhancing rider safety across different riding conditions. The Pirelli Phantom Sport Comp tires, specially developed for the Interceptor, contribute to excellent road grip and stability, reinforcing the bike's capabilities across various terrains. The aesthetic appeal of the Interceptor 650 is rooted in its classic design language. The motorcycle's teardrop-shaped fuel tank, chrome accents, and round headlamp pay homage to the golden era of motorcycling. This retro-inspired design is complemented by modern touches such as LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and a seamless blend of old-school charm with contemporary functionality. The fit and finish of the bike reflect Royal Enfield's attention to detail, with high-quality paint schemes and polished components that exude a premium feel. Customization is an essential aspect